proposed amendments to Work Act 1995, striking a balance between tradition and regulation. In a significant move during the ongoing session of the Parliament, Union Minority Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju introduced the Work Amendment Bill 2024 in the Lok Sabha on the 8th of August. The proposed legislation aims to bring approximately 40 amendments to the existing Work Act 1995, which was previously amended in 2013. After a spirited debate, the House decided to refer the bill to a joint parliamentary committee for thorough scrutiny, a decision that followed the minister's agreement to the proposal. At the heart of this legislative debate lies the concept of work properties. These properties, whether movable or immovable, are dedicated in the name of God for charitable purposes. The dedication is typically formalized through a deed or an instrument. Interestingly, the roots of work predate formal documentation practices, which means that properties that have been in use for generations can also be considered as work properties. Across India, these properties play a crucial role in funding educational institutions, graveyards, mosques, and shelter homes, benefiting a large number of Muslims. To manage and oversee these work properties, each state has a work board, a legal entity comprising nominated members. These boards appoint custodians for individual properties, ensuring that their proceeds are utilized for the intended charitable purposes. The Central Work Council, established in 1964, provides guidance to state-level work boards and advises both central and state governments on matters related to property management. The 1995 Act Amendment in 2013 granted work boards extensive powers, including the authority to designate a property as a work property.
नॉमिनेशन का बारे में रूलिंग दिया गया है और उस रूलिंग के तहत वक्फ बोर्ड doesn't fall within the purview of Article 25 and 26 of the Constitution of India. दूसरा सर, इसमें हमने जो ब्रॉड बेस किया है, किसी का हक छीनना तो बात छोड़ दीजिए, जिनको हक नहीं मिला है उनको हक देने के लिए ये बिल लाया गया है। इसमें महिलाओं के लिए, बच्चों के लिए और मुसलमान समाज में जो पिछड़े हैं, जिसको आज तक कभी मौका नहीं मिला, जिसको दबा के रखा हुआ है, उनको जगह देने के लिए ये बिल लाया गया है। और सर, संविधान के कंकरेंस लिस्ट एंट्री नंबर 10 और 28 में आज के जो विषय हम लोग चर्चा कर रहे हैं, वो एंट्री 10 और एंट्री 28 में ये कंकरेंस लिस्ट में है। इसलिए ये पूरा लेजिस्लेटिव कॉम्पिटेंस इस सदन के पास है, भारत सरकार के पास है, इस सदन में ये बिल पेश करने का। अध्यक्ष महोदय जी, जैसे मैंने कहा है, सबका पॉइंट्स को मैंने नोट भी किया, बहुत अच्छी तरह से सबका कंसर्न को भी हमने नोट किया है। मैं बारी बारी से कहना चाहता हूं, सबसे पहले तो सर, ये वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल ये पहली बार इस सदन में पेश नहीं किया गया है। अंग्रेजों के जमाने से लेकर के उससे पहले का लंबा इतिहास में मैं नहीं जाना चाहता हूं, लेकिन आजादी के बाद सबसे पहले ये एक्ट लाया गया है। 1954 में सबसे पहले ये एक्ट लाया गया था।
Key amendments proposed in the Work Amendment Bill 2024. The proposed bill seeks to strike a delicate balance between preserving the religious and charitable aspects of work properties, while enhancing regulation and transparency. Here are the key amendments. The bill recommends adding 2 Muslim women and 2 non-Muslim members to each work board. This move aims to diversify board representations and ensure a broader perspective in decision making. By including non-Muslim members, the bill acknowledges that work properties serve not only the Muslim community but also contribute to the welfare of society at large. A new section is inserted to prevent properties from being wrongly declared as work. This provision addresses concerns about misappropriation or misidentification of properties. Proper due diligence and evaluation will be crucial in determining whether a property genuinely qualifies as a work property. The bill makes it mandatory for any work property to be registered with the district collector's office. This step ensures transparency and accountability. Registration will facilitate better tracking of work properties, prevent unauthorized transfers, and enable efficient management. As the Work Amendment Bill 2024 moves to join the Parliamentary Committee for further examination, stakeholders, religious leaders, legal experts, and community representatives will closely monitor its progress. Striking the right balance between tradition, religious sentiment, and effective governance remains the central challenge. The proposed amendment aims to modernize the framework while respecting the historical significance of work properties. In the coming weeks, as the debate unfolds, India will grapple with questions of heritage, equity, and administrative efficiency. The outcome will shape the future management of work properties, impacting the lives of millions who benefit from these charitable assets. News Text Report, News Fast English News.
इस बिल का समर्थन कीजिए, करोड़ों लोगों का दुआ मिलेगा। अगर आप विरोध करोगे, चंद लोगों ने पूरा वक्फ बोर्ड को कब्जा करके रखा हुआ है और आम मुसलमान लोगों को जो न्याय इंसाफ नहीं मिला उसको सही करने के लिए ये बिल लाया गया है। इतिहास में दर्ज होगा कि ये बिल को कौन कौन समर्थन किया है और किसने विरोध किया है।